Hello everyone, this is Gao. This is an everyday dish for Chinese. It looks easy, but making it perfectly requires some techniques. The most challenging part is that the eggs should be soft and tender, full of tomato taste, while at the same time, tomatoes cannot be overcooked and become soft and squishy. Prepare 3 tomatoes. Any kind of tomatoes is okay. Just choose the ones which taste good before you even cook them. Dice 1 tomato into small pieces. Cut the other 2 into big pieces. I also cut green onions into big and small pieces. Crack 3 eggs. Season with salt and gently beat the eggs. Heat up the pan first, then add oil. Different from normal breakfast scrambled eggs, this dish requires very hot oil, since the heat will puff up the eggs quickly and they become super fluffy in the middle and slightly crispy on the outside. When the eggs just begin to set but not fully set yet, remove them from the heat. Turn the heat to low, no need to add more oil. Add green onions, cook until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes, soy sauce and salt. Continue to cook the tomatoes until they look like a paste. Now add scrambled eggs and break them into small pieces. Let scrambled eggs fully absorb the tomato flavor. Towards the end, add the rest of tomatoes. Briefly cook them. After turn off the heat, add the rest of the green onions. You don't need ketchup, hoisin sauce, chicken broth mix, or any other man-made artificial flavors. We are using the natural and rich taste from the fresh tomatoes themselves to flavor the dish. This is Gao. Thanks for watching and see you next time.